Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday.
Hey, welcome to the Marky Monday Show, and happy Canada Day! Whoop, 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 doo, boop, 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 doo, boop, doo. Yeah, I love Canada Day. Love the fireworks, love the celebrations. And today, on Canada Day, Marky Monday's performing in Richmond Hill, Ontario, at Richmond Green. That's at Elgin Mills and Leslie Street. 2 performances today, one at noon and one at 3 o'clock. So if you're in the Richmond Hill area and you want to come by, that's amazing. Also want to give a big shout out to the month of June had some awesome prizes and some really great winners. For instance, Carolyn and Andrew, the 2 of you did amazing. You won all the prizes in June. You watched all the episodes and you also went down to the prize portal and you won new songs. You won Marky Monday collectible cards, all because you watched the shows and participated. And today's show's no different. So if you want to win an awesome prize, make sure you watch all the way to the end of the episode, because by the end of the episode, you will be told how you can win a prize by answering the skill testing question of the day and then going down to the prize portal below in the comment section. So, are you ready for today's show? Oh, so excited. I love Canada Day. Here we go.
Marky plays drums.
Hey, Giant Banana. Hey, Marky Monday. Happy Canada Day. Yes, happy Canada Day indeed. Oh, I'm so excited. I love fireworks. Really? You love fireworks? Oh, yeah, fireworks are the best. I love the sounds they make too. And all that cool stuff, up in the air. And all the lights. Oh, I can't wait to see fireworks today, Marky. Yeah, I love fireworks too, Giant Banana. They're great. Yes, but it's really important that we stay safe on Canada Day. That any fireworks being lit are being lit by an adult and somebody who's responsible, that knows what they're doing. And if they're lighting fireworks, we should stay back, because otherwise the fireworks might come and hit us, and that would not be good, Marky. That's right. Stay safe, everybody, with your fireworks, but enjoy them. Yeah, enjoy the fireworks. Yay! Hey, Presley. Hey, Marky. Did you know that your country of Canada is 152 years old? Really, it is? Yes, it is, but your world is much, much older. 152 is the amount of years that Canada has been called its own country and has its own laws and its own government and all those sorts of things. Whoa, that sounds like pretty serious stuff. It is. Take care.
Donny, 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 Donatello, Cleo, 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 Cleopatra, Donny, 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 Donatello, Cleo, 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 Donny, 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 Cleo, Donny, Cleo, Donatello and Cleopatra, cats.
Hey Cleopatra, you excited about Canada Day?
Yeah, pretty excited. I like that mouse, though.
This mouse over here? This one right here? This is the one? Yeah? Is that the one you like?
Yeah, that's the one I like. It reminds me of Canada Day for sure. Can you toss it over, please?
Here.
Oh, thank you. Oh, here we go. Yeah, Canada Day mouse. Yes, this is what I love. See, this is the Canada Day mouse.
Okay.
It's time for the beat of the week. Yeah, beat of the week. Today's beat, we are using the word Canada to do our beat. That is our rhythm. Canada. 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 Do it with Marky. Canada. Do it with Marky. Canada. Yes. Now let's do it with Margarita, Senorita, Bonita, Chiquita, Banana.
Okay, Canada Day means we celebrate Canada by using Canada in our beat today. Let's do it with Margarita. You ready? Here we go! Canada! 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 Canada!
Marky plays guitar.
Redonculous, the ridiculous. Redonculous, the ridiculous. Dinosaur.
Hey, Redonculous, what do you have for us today?
Well, Marky, today, it being Canada Day, I wanted to tell you where the name Canada came from.
Oh, okay, where did the name Canada come from?
Well, Marky, Canada actually came from the word Kanata, spelled K-A-N-A-T-A. And it means village or settlement. Yes, that's right, settlement. Canada!
Marky plays piano.
Okay. Here for your viewing pleasure and listening pleasure is a rendition of Oh Canada, performed by Marky Monday, The Giant Banana, Margarita Senorita Bonita Chiquita Banana, Ridonculous the Ridiculous, and Presley the Alien, whose first time it is on the show today. Presley the Alien. Ooh, so fantastic. And we are actually singing Oh Canada with the Toronto Symphony Orchestra. Whoa. Here it is.
Happy birthday, Canada!
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all our songs command.
With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free.
From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
God keep on, glorious and free.
On Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Okay. It's prize time. Prize time. So, today's prize is the song Oh Canada that you just heard. You will get a copy of it, an MP3, the music sent right to your email if you can answer this question. The question is, how old is Canada this year? In 2019, how old is Canada? We answered it on the show today, and a little clue, it was when Presley the Alien was talking. Yes, so how old is Canada? If you know the answer, go to the description of this video below, and you will see the Marky Monday prize portal. Click on the prize portal, and that will take you to a place where you fill out your name, email address, and the answer to today's question, and if you get it correctly, Marky Monday will send you your prize. Yes. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It has been an absolute pleasure. Make sure you tell all your friends to like these videos, share these videos, watch these videos, and thank you so much for watching. It's so awesome to have you aboard. Till next one, hasta Luigi!
Hey, thanks for watching. Click the circle to subscribe to the Marky Monday channel. Yes, and click the squares to watch another episode of the Marky Monday Show.
And make sure you tune in next Monday for another great show. Until then,
Hasta Luigi!